Before buying a Cartier watch, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Classic Square Watch by Cartier. This classic square watch by Cartier really caught my eye with its vintage charm and affordable price of just $20.39. If you want a stylish accessory that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Look, this watch features a 25mm square case with beautiful Roman numerals, which gives it that timeless elegance perfect for any occasion. The Japanese movement ensures reliable timekeeping with a battery that lasts up to 24 months. Plus, it comes with both stainless steel and leather band options, so you can switch it up based on your outfit or mood. And let's not forget the water resistance for daily use, ideal for that accidental splash while washing your hands. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A watch that's both fashionable and reliable can elevate your daily wear without the stress of constantly checking the time. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small for larger wrists. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a dainty look, this is actually a great fit. But if you like chunkier watches, it might not be your best choice. This is perfect for you if you love classic styles and want something chic yet affordable. Skip this one if you're after a bold piece that stands out more. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the classic size doesn't appeal to you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vintage Copper Mirror Watch by BERNY. Next up is the Vintage Copper Mirror Watch by BERNY, priced at $64.99. If you're into unique designs that blend art and functionality, this is worth taking a look. This watch features an eye-catching copper mirror design that feels like wearing a piece of art on your wrist. The Japanese Miyota quartz movement guarantees accuracy, meaning you won't be late for that important meeting. Here's why this matters for you. A watch that looks stunning and works perfectly adds a touch of luxury to your everyday life. Some users did mention that the band can be tricky to adjust, but honestly, with a little patience, you'll find it's worth it for such a striking accessory. This is perfect for you if you enjoy vintage aesthetics and want something that stands out. Skip this one if you're looking for something more understated. For the quality and design, it really checks a lot of boxes. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more casual styles. Product number 3, Gold Watches by Cheetah. The gold watch by Cheetah comes in at just $23.79, and it really impressed me with its petite design. If you want something that's both affordable and stylish, this is definitely worth a look. This watch has a small gold tone case with a sleek bracelet that fits seamlessly with both casual and formal outfits. The Roman numeral dial not only enhances the vintage feel but also makes it easy to read, which is a practical aspect we often overlook. With a water resistance of 3 atm, you don't have to worry about everyday splashes. Here's why this matters for you. A watch that combines elegance and practicality can be your go-to accessory for any occasion. However, some customers mentioned that the band might feel a bit flimsy over time. But look, for the price, it's hard to argue against its overall charm and functionality. This is perfect for you if you enjoy vintage looks on a budget. Skip this one if you want something more durable for heavy usage. Considering its price, it's a steal. Now, if the dainty design isn't what you're after, the next watch is a bit more substantial. Product number 4, Classic Square Watch Cartier. Another classic square watch from Cartier priced at $20.39 might just be what you need. If you appreciate classic styles that are versatile, this is worth considering. This model features the same 25mm square case and vintage Roman numerals, suitable for all dressing styles. The Japanese movement is reliable, and the battery can last up to 2 years, which is great for daily use. Here's why this matters for you. Having a dependable watch that complements your wardrobe can simplify your life. Some users have pointed out that it may not be suitable for more formal occasions, but honestly, I think it strikes a great balance for both casual and semi-formal events. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something minimalistic yet elegant. Skip this if you want a statement piece. For the cost, it's a solid addition to any collection. Now, if you're still not sold, the next option has a more luxurious feel. Product number 5, another classic square watch Chez Curie. Finally, we have yet another classic square watch from Chez Curie, but this one is slightly different at $21.24. If you're still searching for that perfect blend of style and affordability, you might want to take note. Similar to the previous models, this watch features a classic 25mm square case with Roman numerals. The reliable Japanese movement ensures accurate timekeeping, while the simple design makes it suitable for both casual and formal settings. And yes, it also boasts water resistance for daily activities. Here's why this matters for you. A watch that offers flexibility in style can be a great investment for your wardrobe. However, some reviews mention that it might feel a bit too basic for some. Here's the thing, if you prefer something that's straightforward and elegant, this could be your go-to. This is perfect for you if you want a classic piece that matches anything. Skip this if you're looking for bold features. Given the price, it's certainly worth considering. Now, let's wrap things up with a quick overview of our top picks. To quickly compare, we've seen the classic square watch by Chez Curie for timeless elegance, the vintage copper mirror watch by BERNY for unique artistry, the gold watch by Cheetah for budget-friendly charm, and 2 more classic square options that bring versatility to the table. Each has its strengths and a few downsides, but ultimately the best choice depends on your style and needs. Thanks for tuning in.